hook is 3.5 millimeter, and we begin with a slip knot, and we chain multiple of 5 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and plus 1. For row 1, we skip the last chain to the second chain. We make a single crochet. We yarn over, and in the next chain we make a double crochet. Yarn over 2 times. In the next chain we make a treble crochet. Yarn over 3 times, and we pull through the 2 loops, the next 2, the next 2, and the last 2. And now we yarn over 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We go to the next chain, and again we pull through the yarn, pull through the 2 loops until we're done with all the loops. And we have a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 stitches. Now we skip 1, 2, 3, 4 to the 5. We go with the hook and we make a slip stitch. Next we chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we repeat what we just did, all the stitches from here. Skip the first chain to the second one, we make the single crochet. Yarn over, and we make double crochet to the next stitch. Yarn over 2 times and make treble crochet. Yarn over 3 times, pull through the 2 loops, the next 2, the next 2, and the last 2, and yarn over 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we go in the last chain, pull through 2 loops, pull through the next 2, next 2, next 2, and last 2. And this is what we have. And again we're gonna skip 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the 5th one we make the slip stitch. And we repeat what we have here. We chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then make the single crochet, a double crochet, and over 2 times to make the treble crochet, and over 3 times, and yarn over 4 times. We skip 1, 2, 3, 4 to the 5 chain, we make the slip stitch. I make the slip stitch, and now we chain 1 and we cut the yarn. I change the color and I make a slip knot. And we begin right here on this chain right there. And I make a slip stitch. We go to the next stitch, both loops, and I take the yarn with me and I make the single crochet. Yarn over and we make the double crochet in the next stitch. Yarn over 2 times. We go to the next stitch and make the treble crochet. Yarn over 3 times to the next stitch. We pull through the 2 loops, the next 2, next 2, and last 2. And now yarn over 4 times and we go in the stitch. Again, pull through the 2 loops, next 2, next 2, 2, and last 2. It's gonna look like this. And now I'm gonna go on top and make the slip stitch. And we repeat. To the next stitch, we make the single crochet. Yarn over to make the double crochet. Yarn over 2 times, pull through 2, next 2, last 2. Yarn over 3 times, pull through the 2 loops, next 2 loops, next 2, and the last 2. And we yarn over 4 times, we pull through the loops, and on top we make the slip stitch. And right here we need a chain and then we cut the yarn. The different color, we make a slip knot and we connect right here or is the slip stitch. And now we chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we make the single crochet, the double crochet, and over 2 times, and over 3 times, and yarn over 4 times. And we make a slip stitch right here. Again, we chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we repeat. And where we have the slip stitch, we go and make another slip stitch. I made the slip stitch, I chain one and cut the yarn. And this is row 1, repeat. And now we need to go back on row 2 and go and repeat row 2, and then we repeat row 3 and 2.